Now this is the Hotel Pennsylvania here in New York. We've just stayed here for 4 nights. It is absolutely enormous. 1,700 rooms I think it's got. And it is slightly jaded, I think is the way I would describe it. It was built in 1919 and occasionally shows it. But if you're after a hotel that is cheap and cheerful, this is it. It is a really good location for central Manhattan. We are just round the corner from the Empire State Building and Macy's, and we are right opposite Penn Station. So if you're not too worried about the decor and the fact that the place needs a lick of paint, and you're after somewhere cheap and central, this is the place to stay. Well, this is the room that we're staying in, and quickly around the corner here is the bathroom. Nothing particularly special, but does its job. As you can see, we've just used it. Shower there, and then through into the room. Bit jaded, I would say. The furniture reminded me of a sort of 1980s guest house in Blackpool or somewhere like that, but look at those windows. They haven't been cleaned in years. Double bed, as you can see. We're all packed, ready to leave. And could do with a lick of paint and sprucing up a bit, but otherwise it actually served its purpose quite well. This is a massive hotel and the corridors seem to be endless. This is the central lobby and reception area, and it can get as busy as a railway station concourse. Notice how there's no queue at reception. This was not what it was like when we first arrived, because it took us 20 minutes to get through reception because of the great long queue, and as you can see, it's all taped out ready for the long queues.